So today we're going to make Valentine grams for your classmates, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. And we're going to make a Valentine,
Fortune cookie.
yeah, Valentine fortune cookie. And we've already made fortune cookies for New Year's, and folks can check it out in our channel. It's the New Year's fortune cookie episode, but we're going to use it as a Valentine gram, right? Okay, awesome. So pick out what papers you would like to use for your classmates and friends. Ooh, these flower ones are fun. What do you think? And for the Valentine fortune cookies, it's great to have patterns on it like we do here. We have some origami paper for it. But if not, just use any paper and we'll cut it out in a second once we pick out what paper we want to use. You have to pick 19 plus 4, you said? So 23? Whoa, you're making 23 grams, Valentine grams. Okay, so flip your paper around to the inside part of your fortune. Draw your circle using a compass or a lid like this. And make sure there's enough room for a little strip of paper that you can use to write your Valentine message. And then cut out the circle from your paper and be sure to get an adult's help for using scissors. Then we also need to cut out a strip for the fortune message, the little Valentine message that you want to put inside of your Valentine gram. I'm making mine a little thicker for this one. All right, so we're gonna write our message on the strip, and you can write your messages for your friends. And then with the circle, we fold it in half. Yep. Make sure to leave a crease. Unfold it. Turn it around. And then fold it in half another time. Okay. And then undo it. Right? And then we take two tips, two sides, and make it into a bouncy flap. And then we're gonna push this. There you go. Yeah. And we're gonna push this side in a little. And then you see where the fold is? We're going to fold that out by pushing it, and then bring the other two corners in. Yeah, and then we can glue it together. So you want to keep it round and bouncy. And then fold it in. Like this. And then we can put the message in and we'll glue this inner part, right? Okay, so I'll show you one more time. You take the flaps and poke it and make sure the flap folds inwards a little, the inner flap, and then bring it together as a fortune cookie. Okay, now we're going to write our messages and make 22 more? 21 more? 21 more. Okay, and I'll get some glue as well. Okay. And then I'll help you put it in here and then glue it. So hold the flap together. Fold it in as you tuck one side. And then we'll take the glue. Glue it together in the middle and hold it for a few seconds. Then you got a Valentine fortune cookie. Nice. What kind of messages can you write your friends? You could even write some Valentine's jokes. Yeah, you can write funny messages, sweet messages, anything you'd like, right? Awesome.
That's how you spell that.
Laugh. Do you want another strip?
Yeah.
Is that this one? Wait, this is a kid scissor.
Thank you. If you write laugh without the U, what does it spell?
It doesn't really spell a word. Might be lack. Fold it into a little churro type thing and then tuck it in from the middle. Great. Glue, please. Stick.
How do you spell cactus?
C-A-C-T-U-S.
C-A-C-T-U-T-U-S.
Great. Yeah, this is a fun Valentine activity, huh? And if you're writing it to specific classmates or friends, you can write their name on the edge of the strip so that it can actually show at the end. Otherwise, it can just be a surprise message for anybody to get.
How do you spell guy?
G-U-Y.
How do you write 12 to the second power? What?
12 and then write a tiny 2 on the top right corner.
That's it? How do you write yeah?
Yeah, like yes.
No, like yeah!
I guess it kind of depends. You can write Y-E-A-H or Y-A-H? Maybe Y-A-H would be better.
Okay. I need a red one.
You need a red one? Like a red paper?
Yeah, because Daniel's favorite color is red.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's sweet. You wanna give me a red piece over there? Or find one that you wanna use?
This one's yellow. His favorite color is red, so I need a red. Huh. This is a pink. I need a red.
You wanna pick a different one?
Yeah. Is this it? I'm gonna put one down. Ooh, red. How do you write Pikachu? Pikachu!
P-I-K-A-C-H-U.
Wait, so
P-I-K-A. Pikachu. Okay. So are you gonna put lots of A's or something?
Chu?
C-H-U.
Pikachu! Pikachu! How do you write Piggy and Gerald?
Piggy. P. We were talking about this book, huh?
Yeah.
Molars. Gerald and Piggy. Does someone really like that in your class?
Yeah.
Cool. That's so sweet that you know what everybody likes. You're using it for the Valentine grams.
How do you spell Sonic?
S-O-N-I-C. Do you like eating fortune cookies?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I tried these chocolate fortune cookies once. They're so good.
Hey, you didn't bring any home for me?
It was before you were born. Yeah, sorry.
Actually, I did eat it.
What?
But I was in your stomach.
Oh. Yeah, I guess that works, huh?
Mm-hmm. How do you spell cactus?
Cactus again?
Mm-hmm.
C
C
A
A
C
C
U or T
T
U
U.
S.
How do you spell perfect?
P E R
P E R
F
F
E
E
C T.
C T.
Woo! We're almost done. Almost done.
How do you spell cuteness?
Cuteness. C-U-T-E.
C-U-T-E.
It's cute. And then ness is N-E-S-S. One
N-E-S-S.
S-S. You're so tired, huh? This is a lot of work. Good job. I think we need to take a nap after this. Okay, what's our next art activity after this?
Orange color challenge.
The orange color challenge.
Which I'm going to crush.
You're gonna crush me?
Yeah.
Oh, it's on. Challenge accepted. Do you need to take a nap before? Because if you have no energy, I might need to crush you. Does anything rhyme with orange?
Orange.
Orange? What's a porridge?
It's porridge, but you put oranges in it.
I love that.
Nothing really rhymes with orange.
Yeah. Maybe that's why it's so unique.
Yeah.
Whew. It's a lot of work giving everybody Valentine's. Ah, you got some visitors, Mia. You can give them the Valentines.
Where?
All right, we're done.
Yeah!
We made them all, and you already gave 2 over to your friends, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Great! Good job! And our along friends, try making these Valentine fortune cookies. Bye!
Bye!